Hello students, today we will study about conventional sources of energy. So conventional sources of energy are those sources of energy which are being used from a long time now, and generally conventional sources of energy are non-renewable. Like fossil fuels, we have fossil fuels, that is non-renewable source of energy, and we also have hydro energy, wind energy and thermal energy in conventional sources of energy. When I said fossil fuels, it includes coal, petroleum and natural gas. We all know what a fossil fuel is. Fossil fuels are actually the dead remains of plants and animals formed by decomposition when they are buried inside the earth. So we need not to study about fossil fuels, we already know a lot about fossil fuels. We have studied this in some earlier classes. So coal, petroleum and natural gas. We have also studied about coal. We know about coal a lot. In earlier times, coal were used to heat homes, industrial applications and run some locomotives. Nowadays, coal is not in being frequent use in homes, but in earlier times, coal was used to heat homes. Nowadays, coal is used as a fuel for production of heat in some industries. We all have seen steam engines in a movie or elsewhere. So in a steam engine, coal was used as a fuel to boil the water. So that was the main use of coal in earlier times. Like now, steam engines are replaced by diesel engines and now they are replacing by electrical engines. So coal is mainly used in industries only. And yeah, in some cooking appliances we also use coal. Like in tandoor, we use coal, but mostly coal is being used in industries only nowadays. So second one was petroleum. We all know the most common use of petroleum, that is petroleum is used to run automobiles, that is petrol and diesel. So what petroleum is? Petroleum is a rich high carbon compound formed by the decomposition of diatoms. What is this? It is a rich carbon compound that is formed by the decomposition of diatoms. And nowadays it is mainly used to run as a fuel to run our automobiles in the form of petrol and diesel. And the third one is natural gas. So natural gas is mainly made up of methane, that is CH4, and it is highly inflammable. That's why it is extensively used as a cooking gas, natural gas. So these were some uses of fossil fuels. Now we also have the disadvantage of fossil fuels. What are the disadvantages of fossil fuels? First of all, air pollution. Burning of fossil fuel generate a lot of chemicals like oxide of sulfur, carbon and nitrogen and release it into the atmosphere. When we burn a fossil fuel, it releases a lot of chemicals which are polluting our air. So fossil fuels are responsible for air pollution. Second, acid rain. The burning of fossil fuel is one of the main reasons of acid rain. And the third one is global warming. When we burn a fossil fuel, carbon dioxide is produced. As we all know, carbon dioxide is responsible for greenhouse effect. So in result, burning of fossil fuel is responsible for global warming. So these were some of the disadvantages of fossil fuels. We will study about rest of the non-conventional sources of energy, that is hydro, thermal and wind energy in the next lecture. Thank you.